So to be able to use a character reference, first of all, we need to create a character. You can use also images that you found online. You have to be mindful about how you use it and if you have the permission to do so. But like usually what I like to do is like using Midjourney to kind of like create my avatar and then taking it from there. This is like a very simple prompt that I'm using. Try to have like nothing in the background, a very simple outfit to really focusing on like the face of the model, because this is what we're going to use no matter what. It's very different from the style reference. The character reference is really to like helping you on like the face of the model. You can add multiple references, so we can do full body shot if we want to have like a specific body shot as well and we want to add more references. But let's start simple. So I use this prompt. It's kind of like going to generate a bunch of like new face. In this case, I don't have like a specific brief for my clients, right? So like I just want to like see what type of like model I can generate. So there is no specificities around like ethnicity, hair color, like all these different things, not even the gender. By default, because I put like a new face model is creating a female. But for example, if I want to use it, like this, and then it's just like adding some specificities. And if you're adding some direction, like Midjourney will like follow your direction. That you can see here, creating like different models. I can run like multiple as usual. If you go in the prompt design sheet, I have like a dedicated section to help you out with like all the tokens for like the character creation. So you can use it, you can play around with it. Always interesting. And then you even have here, but this is more for like when we're going to start to like actually working with our characters that we created, like different pose and attitude, as well as clothing type, because like you can define all these different elements. When you're working on a campaign, you probably want to be like as close as possible of like what you're trying to do. And just like a little piece of advice, if you're working, let's say on like a swimsuit campaign, like you probably don't want to like start creating your character wearing like a puffer jacket or stuff like that, because it can have an impact on your render. But that's pretty much it. And so if I go here, I will run like multiple times just to see like the different options available. And then I will decide like which model I want to go. So it's pretty impressive. It's almost working like a model agency capability. Most of the Midjourney has like a bias toward like good looking person, but also because I put like new face model, which is like very like a type of like description that exists more within like model agency world, but it's just like creating different things. Again, you can like change the body type, you can change the intensity, you can change the age range, like literally everything you want to achieve. But like let's see what we have here. I'm gonna select two with like a different style, just to see how it goes. But we can keeping her, and I'm just gonna upscale it. And then we can keep this one as well. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can use the avatars that you just created to create like more images with the same face.